Hello everybody, Molly here from my channel Molly Fits Round, and today we are at Disney's Animal Kingdom. I'm so excited, we have not been here in so long. So we're gonna go get on Dinosaur ride today because I know it is in the process of closing down. I hear next year, but we're gonna go look at the new merchandise. We hear they have new dinosaur pens, so we're gonna go check out all the new merch, do some rides, and hopefully see some animals. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go have a fun day. Oh, somebody's talking back there. Oh, these guys are eating. So pretty here by the entrance. All right, we are walking in through the main entrance area, which is so beautiful. So you have to go through this beautiful trail before you get up to the big tree. Wow, Logan just got handed a super cool special card. Wild about safety. Safety tip. Another bus will come. No need to run. That's cute.
Yeah.
And here it is, the big tree. All right, let's see if we can zoom. Okay, and I always love to walk through Riverside Depot to see the new stuff on my way in. And oh my goodness, I wanted to look at Pandora today. Something new. They have Safari Mickey with the tree. All right, we got to go check that out. Let's go. Follow Tommy to the air conditioning. It is a hot one today. Already 92. Okay, we found the whole pen wall. Wow. Okay, I have not looked in a while, so I think they have quite a bit of new things that I have not seen. An AT-AT, Star Wars, Millennium Falcon. Oh my goodness, that Mickey is really cute. Alright, so I stopped and I got the super cute Safari Mickey Pandora charm. I'm about to add that to my bracelet. But right now we are heading to the Dinosaur ride. Oh, they got a band out here playing some music. Then I gotta find my drink. We gotta get the VI pass holder drink so I can get my next stamp today. So we'll talk about that later. Let's check this out.
It's incredible. We've got the plastic PVC on this side. We've got metal pots and pans over here. But what I am most excited about is not a shaker. It's this wooden box that we're all sitting on. Come. Cool, right? Yeah.
Wow, there's that big dinosaur. He will not be here very much longer. Everything's gonna be going. Wow, they even got a big wall over here. We'll have to go see the new artwork. The Boneyard Fossil Fun is still here for now if you like the play area. Here is the sign for Tropical Americas. The dinosaur round is already gone, but check it out. This is what we're gonna have here pretty soon. Safari Goofy is out. Oh, he is adorable. All right, the dinosaur entrance. It's crazy to think it'll all be gone one day in the not too distant future. Wow, here it is. Dinosaur.
Because remember, it's fast, it's a blast, and it's in the past.
Ooh, 15 minutes. The sign went down, guys. All right, they have all these fossil things on display here. Okay, all the displays that are going to be going away forever soon. Okay, and then you round the corner and look up, Logan. Ah, there he is. Super cool.
See that? Dino up there?
Hello. I'm Dr. Marsh, Director of the Dino Institute, and I hope you enjoyed those quaint exhibits in the old wing. That's how dinosaurs have been presented to the public since the study of fossils began over 150 years ago.
I'm Dr. Secret, your friendly controller and a heck of a paleontologist, if I do say so myself.
But let's not talk about me. Let's talk about you and how you can help me make history today with the Time Rover. It's like this. If I can bring you back from the Cretaceous period, it stands to reason that I can bring back a live dinosaur with you. And not just any dinosaur. Take a look at this guy. He's an iguanodon, and I'm certain that he is the key to understanding these magnificent creatures.
Okay, we have to go down the stairs to the load zone. Look, here comes the next one to load.
Time travel commencing in T-minus 10 seconds and counting.
This is Seeker. Listen up. We've got to get in, grab the iguanodon, and get out before that asteroid hits.
Logan's first time. Here we go. No, it just looks like it, but see, yeah, it's on the ground the whole time.
Okay, now let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Warning, meteor shower in range.
Just little one.
Oleoramus. Hadrosaur. Raptor.
Time to get serious. Locking autopilot on homing signal now.
Whoa, it gets stuck.
Hang on. I'm tracking a big dino on the scope. Could be ours. Computer, full stop. Identify.
Carnotaurus.
Definitely not our dino. Go, go, go! Another big guy coming up. Computer. Slow. And identify.
Sauropod.
Still not our dino, but at least this one's a vegetarian.
Yeah.
We can't stop now. Keep going, keep going. Four-wheel drive. Move it.
Warning, meteor struck.
Evasive maneuver. Left, right, left, right.
Oh my god.
That was close.
Uh-oh, here it comes. Ready?
Computer,
Okay.
name one.
Carnotaurus.
That's it. Abort mission. Abort, abort.
Take our picture. All right, well, that's fine.
Iguanodon.
Forget it. Get them out now.
Asteroid impact.
Brace yourself. This is it. They're not gonna make it. They're not gonna make it.
That's it.
Mission.
And guess who made it back with
This
you?
is it.
I better find him before security does. Thanks for everything.
All right, and then we exit into the gift shop with this cool mural. Oh, here's the guy from the ride. Wow, okay, we gotta go find the new merchandise. I know, I see, here's the magnet. Special dinosaur magnet. All right. Okay, so we just got off of Dinosaur, and sadly they are sold out of all the dinosaur pins and the dinosaur shirts. So they only had left the magnet and the water bottle. So we did pick up some magnets because those are cute, but hopefully they will get pins back because we really, really want to come back and get one of those dinosaur pins, me and Logan. So if anybody sees them, message me, I need two. All right, now we are off to find the Joffrey's that has the special VI pass holder drink. Little tiny pin board.
Oh, there's a tiny Mickey for the tiny pin board.
Hello, we saw a pin board. Okay, this is closed off, which is one of the entrances to go back behind the tree, but we are heading to Asia. I saw that the Joffrey's with my drink is here in Asia, so let's go find it. Okay, I found the Joffrey's. Okay, I am here to get my stamp for Animal Kingdom. Okay, so when I got here, the Coco Jambo Freeze for this location did not have coffee in it. So I was like, can I add coffee? And she said I could order whatever I wanted and still get my stamp. So I have a frozen cappuccino because that is right up my alley, what I was looking for. So drink number 4, cheers. Oh my god, their frozen cappuccino is the best. Okay.
And look at the pattern. See, Everest
Yes.
is on board of it.
I forgot last time. I noticed this while I was watching the video back. Cutest cups ever on these Joffrey cups. Here we are, our favorite pizza, Pizzafari.
She likes to explore, so she doesn't like to stay still for very long.
Gotcha.
Stand with you right over here. Purple. Why don't you face your mom? I love them. I do too. I love them.
All right, so we ate some pizza and we did some more shopping. I am still super bummed they did not have our dinosaur pens, but we found some other super cool pens. Logan found
Nightmare Before Christmas.
Nightmare Before Christmas, some of his
July.
yeah, right. One of his favorite movies to find pens for, and we found new pens. So I'm still super excited that I found the Safari Mickey Pandora charm though. So now we are heading back towards shops and the exit, so we'll see where we go from here. Oh, they have all their Lion King stuff on display too. Oh, air conditioning. So nice. It is 96 today. Alright, I ended up with the retro Minnie Mouse pin. I've been eyeing this one for a couple of visits. I love how she looks all like 90s Minnie. Okay, as you're leaving down the main path, you go into the rocks. You can find a secret path that is way less crowded with a jumpy bridge. Ah! Whoa! So this is like a little bit of a secret path right there beside the main path, but you get a little jumpy bridge and it's always like empty. So, all right, we are heading out to the exit now. Okay, we curved to the right and we are walking through Rainforest Cafe on the way out. We have never walked through this location before, so how cool. Oh, look at this super cute splash zone. Awesome. Oh, we always love their gift shop. Every time we're in Disney Springs, we gotta go check out the super cute gift shop. Wow, it is just so similar. How cool.
Cafe would like to welcome Naomi's for a 3-piece roast of elephant intervention class begin. Naomi's for a 3.
Very cool. It is way less crowded over here than it usually is in Disney Springs. Oh, they even got the talking tree back there. The whole roof is just covered in stuff. Of course, the big giant fish aquariums, and there is the restaurant. Oh, with the giant elephant. I see some lights flickering. Oh, it's storming. Woo! Gonna come look in the restaurant.
The elephants.
Oh, the elephants are going for the storm. Yeah. This place has its own smell too. All right, look over here. We got the gorilla section. Oh, look at these guys swinging in the tree. Okay, always fun to just walk through and see all the cool animal things. So sadly, they did not have any Rainforest Cafe pens, but that's okay. We will be at Disney Springs real soon, and me and Logan will be back looking to see if they have some Rainforest Cafe pens, because that would be another cute one to collect. All right, so that is gonna do it for our day here at Animal Kingdom. We had a fun, quick trip. Our main goals were to get through Dinosaur. Really wish they would have had a pen at Dinosaur, but we will keep on the hunt for that. And we finished the 4th drink, so all 4 parks. Next stop, Disney Springs, to go ahead and get the final drink in the koozie. So see you real soon from Disney Springs. Oh, and thank you for joining us on our magical adventures. See you next time, real soon.
Yes, my driver friend and myself here in the back. We'd like to thank you for joining us today at Disney's Animal Kingdom.